Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can share your Instagram story on Facebook. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up the Instagram app on your device. After you open up the Instagram app, go to the story you want to share and then click on the three dots on the bottom right corner of your screen and then click on this share to option. After you click on the share to option, a pop-up will appear on your screen. Now what you have to do is click on this news feed option which has the Facebook logo on it, which will guide you to the Facebook page. Now all you'll have to do is write a caption saying something and then click on the post option on the top right corner of your screen and the Instagram story will be shared on your Facebook. I hope this video helped you to share your Instagram story on Facebook. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.